Hello there, welcome back again to our topic for today. The topic for today is word count. We are discussing topics under part 7 of the book entitled Computer Skills That Increase Your Productivity. We have been discussing topics under part 7, which is review. So far, we have discussed the editor, spelling and grammar, and thesaurus. In today's topic, we'll see word count. So how word count can be used and what is the purpose of using it. So to count words, we have to go to review, then word count. Highlight the document or section of the document, then you can actually ask the word count for that. To see word count at a glance, the word count for text in the box is indicated below. For example, the text here is what is economics. Economics is a social science that focuses on the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services, and analyze the choices that individuals, business, governments, and nations make to allocate resources. So this is one of the definition of the economics. So if you want to actually count the word for this text, you can highlight the word or parts of the document or any paragraph for that matter like this, and you have to highlight and go to the word count and just click on the word count. So once we do that and go to highlighting it and clicking on the word count will actually display for us like this word count. So in this particular case, for example, the word count has actually suggested the following statistics. It has got one page words, there are 34 words, characters, no space, without no space, 208 characters are there, character with the space, including the space, there are 242 characters, paragraph, one paragraph, line, there are 4 lines, then that is how the word uh, count is actually suggests our statistics. So this is very important because sometimes especially in universities and even reports for institutions, sometimes it is actually suggested to just limit the number of words that are expected to produce for a project or for your research. So in that case, this word count has a very significant importance to check your word count, especially not only for project and for report. This word count can actually be uh, sometimes suggested to limit your word count to certain level of word. For example, not more than 100 word or 150 or 300 word, by indicating the exact number of word they are expecting for different purposes. It could be for example, for application of something. It could be for research purpose, or it could be for report. So for whatever the purpose, sometimes you are actually obliged and to limit your wording and your word count to certain level of word or words. So in that case, the use of word count is very, very important. So try to develop a skill in using word count. For example, if you want to write an essay with 100 words or 200 words or 150 words or 300 words, you can actually write an essay and check your word count. How often you actually write your essay uh, under a given time pressure. There will be actually a time given for writing an essay, and that given time, how many words you can write, you can check and assess your productivity even in that case. So try to use word count for your daily experiences. So you can start, for example, writing an essay within a given time, uh, depending on the nature of uh, the essay. You can actually write under a given time pressure and test yourself whether you are actually producing uh, the standard word expected within that given time. It could be 100 words, 150 or 200 or 300. Just you can actually, if you use that, you can even improve your experience in that. So that in that case, for such cases, word count is very, very important, and it is a productivity tool one should use. So that is it for today, and thank you very much, and bye bye.